This is the main entrance of the compound of this temple, Doi Wat Prabat, in Chiangrai, Thailand. I'm so grateful of the shining, magnificent brightness of the sun. And this is the staircase going up to see the temple. For Christian, you see this, and they use it the word monastery because inside of this compound there are monks living here. They invited me here to teach novice monk. I taught novice monk from the country of Myanmar, China, and Thailand, and some monks, full-fledged monk, underwent my English classes with them. All temple of Buddhist temple in Thailand is always fenced with dragon serpent. In the whole province of Chiangrai, I almost visited the different districts and the temples. I'm amazed because of the construction of infrastructure of buildings. There is always balance. Shows up geometry, exact measurement of architecture. In this country, when people die, they don't bury the dead. They burn it. Whenever I see temple with monastery of monks, the surroundings are full of plants, trees, doing ordinary in an extraordinary, really a miracle. Because the monks, you can see them, they sweep around, they water the plants, they care for the different plants around. And all monks, they don't cook for their food. They have their begging bowl every morning. They are walking barefooted and beg food where people are. There are monks who eat once a day. There are also monks who eat twice a day. Anyone can become a monk. Not necessary that you are single. Even you are married, you can in this country. And also being a nun. Not necessary that you are single. Even you are married, it can be here. You are allowed to practice the life of a monk. You are very much welcome in every temple if you decide to stay that long. You are very much welcome in every temple. So bye for now. I will go up through my motorbike.